Probably everyone has a childhood story that is both embarrassing and funny to remember. When I was about 10 years old, I loved watching the series Wild Angel. All the girls at school watched it. I was crazy about the song sung by Natalia Oreiro, and I decided to learn it. So every time the series started, I would write the lyrics down on a piece of paper. It turned out to be something like Camille Dolor, Carla Berda. After learning the lyrics, I told my classmates that I could sing the song from their favorite series. The girls were thrilled. During breaks, we would stack chairs, hang our jackets on them, and hide under the desk, like in a little house. While I sang the song, they wouldn't let the boys near us and would reply that it was girl stuff and they weren't allowed. I felt like a star.